Okay, good morning. We will solve these MCQ type question of determinant. The question is if t is a positive integer and delta t is this matrix, then we need to calculate a summation of delta t from t0 to m, and following are the options out of which B answer is correct, which is 0. So we need these three informations. First one is property of determinant, means when we add up to determinant. So in determinant we will add to determinant only when we have a two columns or two rows are identical, then we add remaining unidentical columns or rows. Also we require binomial theorem. We already know the binomial theorem, and if you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, we get a identity 2 raised to n, which is equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus up to ncn. Also we required a third information, how to add up a arithmetic progression of n terms. So we have these a plus d, a plus 2d up to a plus n minus 1d, where a is a first term, d is a difference, and a plus n minus 1 d is a nth term. So addition of this arithmetic term has this formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So now we need to find a summation of delta t from t0 to m. So we write down this as a delta 0 plus delta 1 up to delta m. So we evaluate a one by one these deltas, delta 0, delta 1, like this. So delta 0 is just put t is equal to 0 in delta t determinant. So if you put t is equal to 0, we get a first column as a minus 1 mc 0 and 1, and second and third column doesn't contain a t, so that is same. So similarly we calculate for delta 1. We get a first column for delta 1 which is depending on t, so first column is 1 mc1 1, and remaining two column are the same. Okay, so now we use a first property, that addition of a determinant. So we add these delta t's from t0 to m. Since last two columns are identical in each determinant, so we just add up a first column only. So add this first column. So first element in first column is just a arithmetic progression, addition of arithmetic progression. Second element in first column is a addition of a coefficient of binomial theorem, and third one is just addition of 1 up to m plus 1 terms. So using binomial theorem we will get a second term of first column is 2 raised to m, and by arithmetic progression we have minus 1 1 3 up to 2m minus 1. Now look at here, we have a first term is minus 1, difference is 2, and how many terms we have m plus 1 term, because we need to add from 0 to m. So we have m plus 1 terms. So by using addition of arithmetic progression we get a addition as a m square minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 up to 2m minus 1, we get a m square minus 1. And similar by basic addition formula, when we add up a same term up to a m plus 1 term, we get a m plus 1 into the number, so it's m plus 1. So just put these values in a first column. We get a summation of t from 0 to m. Delta t is equal to a m square minus 1 first column is m square minus 1, 2 raised to m, and m plus 1, which is identical with a second column. So we also know the another property of a determinant, that when two rows or two columns are identical, then determinant is 0. So we land up in our answer that delta t summation from 0 to m is 0. That's it. Thank you.